Hello guys, welcome to the King's Castle. It's your boy Siabonga Gift, back with a new banging episode. Today we're going to speak about finances. Yes, how to handle finances, and most importantly, how to save. Yes, how to save. I know it's hard. I know we face challenges, especially when coming to buying and also when coming to selecting the right bank for right services. So don't worry, your boy got you today. So let's start. How to save. There are three major tips that I'm going to give you on how to save. Number one, know when to buy. If you're looking for summer clothes, buy them in winter. And if you're looking for winter clothes, buy them in summer. Because of this caption, supply and demand, you'll tend to find your goods much cheaper. And also, if you're looking for grocery, don't buy your grocery during the middle or during the month, like between the 5th and the 18th, because during that time of the month, prices tend to go up because there's high demand and low supply. And if you want to get the best bang for your buck, buy groceries between the 25th to the 5th of the month. Yes, 25th to the 5th. During that time of the month, groceries tend to be cheap and also meet in other supplies because there's low demand and there's high supply. Yeah. And then another tip when coming to buying electronics like phones, TVs, laptops, you name them. Don't buy them during December, nor Black Friday. Yes, not during Black Friday. Why? See, are you crazy? Why not during Black Friday? So this is how the market works. Yeah. 3 months before Black Friday, prices tend to double or increase by 50%. Then after a month or two, they tend to subside as time is going towards Black Friday, and then during Black Friday, you'll find something 50% off, but the reality check is back to its normal price. So, how to get a steal from everything? Buy your appliances and everything else that you need in January because it's a new year. Yeah, oh, actually, let me rephrase that. January too much. Yes, January too much is the best time to buy any electric appliance or any appliance, you name it. During those times, you can buy anything in for an affordable price. And then, when coming to buying properties and cars, guys, on a serious note, it's a good thing to own a car. It's a good thing to own a property or a house or to pay a bond or a lease. Yeah. But remember, just because you have money for something, doesn't mean that you afford it. I'll repeat that again. Just because you have money for something, it doesn't mean that you afford it. Yes, you might have money to buy an iPhone, it makes sense, but not being able to buy data in order for you to use it monthly, it means that you cannot afford it, if you get me. Yes, you can be able to pay an installment for 9,000 every month for your new car, but just because that you cannot afford insurance, petrol, servicing, all these additional fees, it doesn't mean that you afford it. Yes. Yes, you can buy it, but that doesn't mean that you afford it. Same applies to property. Everything have additional fees. And guys, I know we are all trying to create a living, but please check it out and compare all the values. Compare all the things. You can also vouch for a much cheaper car because I'm sure it beats walking. Yes, because at the end of the day, a car is a car, traveling is traveling, a house is a house, sleeping is sleeping. It's a matter of choices. And then let's skip that part and go to another part. I hope that you listened and sorry for making this video long. I hope that by this time it will be done. So let's skip to another part. Always have a list, especially when you're going to do groceries or when you're going to do repairs. And while drafting your list, remember to compare all the prices from different shops that offer the same services or the same product. Mm. And then, last and for least, for those who love food, like me, if you want to buy food online or in a restaurant, please be smart. We have Uber Eats, we have Mr. D, and we have other delivery services, multiple delivery services. Tip number one, don't just buy food. I know sometimes you can just buy it if you afford it and if you like it. Just buy it, it's your own money. We have nothing to do with that. But if possible, try to look at promotions. If there's a promotion, it's your best time to buy and know how to target promotions. Promotions for junk food, especially on Mr. D and Uber Eats, they usually tend to come out between the 29th to the 5th around the month. And they also tend to come around the 15th and to the 18th. Those dates, please check your emails for their notifications if you have the account with them. And please enjoy during those times. Yeah. And also check out for celebrations because many restaurants tend to do celebrations, celebrating their anniversaries, you name it. So by utilizing that, you can also get discounts on your foodie as a foodie. Yeah, you can get discounts on your foods. So that's another great thing about it. I hope you found this information good and versatile, and I hope that you can use it in future. And guys, please hit the subscription button and the like button if you enjoyed the video. If you want more videos, please hit us up on the comment section. Tell us more about if you enjoyed this video. And if you don't like this video, please don't hit the dislike button. Use the comment section as a dislike button. We really appreciate the support and to all the subscribers who have subscribed so far. Thank you very much, guys. We really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. I hope you continue growing with us. And if you know someone else, please send them the link and be like, wow, or sis, check this out. Please subscribe. Support your home dude, yeah. Yeah, we are growing. I hope one day everything will be better quality, and better everything. As we grow, we learn, we love, and we find peace. Big ups, family.